Yeah, we certainly wish Deshaun all the very best. Now, Holland High, Shanoya Douglas was again the star performer on another day of fast times as the J3's CARIFTA trials ended on Sunday's third day at the National Stadium. More in this report.
Shanoya Douglas's previous personal best over 200 meters came back in June 2024. But after her stellar 11.06 seconds clocking to win the 100 meters on Friday, it was no surprise she was also in lifetime best shape in the half-lap event. The 18-year-old sped to 22.58 seconds, 1/100th of a second faster than her previous PB, as she moved closer to Brianna Williams' 22.50 and Brianna Liston 22.53, the only Jamaican juniors who have gone faster than her in the event. In the under-20 boys equivalent, defending champs Class 1 gold medalist Sanjay Seymour of William Nib returned to winning ways after his second-place finish in Friday's 100 meters, clocking a season's best 20.95 seconds to win ahead of Camperdown High's Daquan Mirage, who placed second in 21.06. The under-17 girls race went to Cheyenne Smith of St. Mary High in 24.32 ahead of Edwin Allen's Daniela Clark, who clocked 24.42 seconds, while the under-17 boys final was won in a fast 21.18 by Mario Ross of Woolmer's. JC's Tyler Morgan crossed the line second in 21.35. Edwin Allen girls and boys were superb in the 800 meters. 2025 champ silver medalist Joel Morgan won the under-20 boys event in a season-leading 1 minute 50.05. His teammate Malik Anderson crossed this line second, but was later disqualified with Jakeem Miller of Stets upgraded to second with his 1 minute 52.13. The girls under-20 event was won by Edwin Allen's Kevon Gay Fowler in a personal best 2 minutes 07.64 ahead of Kea Anderson of the Queen's School, who also logged a personal best 2 minutes 10.39. Anika Lowe of Edwin Allen won the under-17 girls race in 2 minutes 13.67 ahead of Kamya Graham of Sydney Pagam 2 minutes 14.54, while the boys equivalent went to Markland Williams of Denby in a Class 2 season-leading 1 minute 55.03 ahead of Luke Plummer of Sydney Pagan 1 minute 57.05. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.